The next chapter is microbes in human welfare. Okay, first the introduction part. In here, it is mentioned that lab. Lab is lactic acid bacteria. Is a bacteria which produces acid that helps in coagulating and partially digesting milk protein. It also increases vitamin B12 content in the milk. Okay, now what is Baker's yeast? Baker's yeast is a kind of yeast which is also known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae and is also known as Brewer's yeast. Now Swiss cheese contains bacteria. Swiss cheese is added with the bacteria, due to which it becomes the kind of cheesy flavor it needs. It gets the kind of cheesy flavor it needs. Swiss cheese has bacteria and its name is Propionibacterium shermani. Wine and beer are produced without distillation. Wine and beer are the special kinds of beers which do not require distillation. But whiskey, brandy and rum are the ones which are produced by distillation. Antibiotics. Alexander Fleming was working on Staphylococci bacteria and found a mold growing on his plate, which he accidentally discovered, and he named it Penicillium notatum. Later he found that it had lot of antibiotic properties. Its full potential was used by two scientists whose name was Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. Chain and Florey. Later, Fleming, Chain, Florey were collectively awarded Nobel Prize in 1945. Next, it also treated whooping cough, which is known as Kalkansi, diphtheria, Kalgotu, and leprosy, which is also known as. The next topic is about bioactive molecules. Here, the first one is Aspergillus niger, which is also fungus, and it helps in the production of citric acid. Next one is Acetobacter aceti, which is a bacteria which helps in production of acetic acid, and Clostridium botulicum, which is a bacteria which helps in the production of butyric acid. Lactobacillus, as you know, helps in the production of lactic acid. It's a bacteria. And lipases are used in laundry, and pectinases and proteases are used to clear fruit juices. Streptococcus is produced by bacteria Streptococcus and is modified. See, streptokinase produces the bacteria. Streptokinase is produced by the bacteria Streptococcus, and it is modified by genetic engineering, which is used as a clot buster for removing clots from blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarction, which leads to heart attack. And another bioactive molecule is cyclosporin A, used as immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant. Organ transplant patient, produced from fungus Trichoderma polysporum. See, another one is statins, which is produced by yeast Monoscus pulveristus, which is commercially used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. It acts as a competitively inhibiting enzyme responsible for synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, the next topic is about sewage. Since sewage, the short form is STPs, which are also known as sewage treatment plants. There are two kinds of sludge which is formed in that. One is primary sludge and another one is secondary sludge. Primary sludge, all solids that settle form the primary sludge, and secondary sludge is the one in which primary sludge is passed in large aeration tanks and is constantly agitated mechanically, and air is pumped into it. Vigorous growth of flocks takes place, that is masses of bacteria associated with fungal elements to form mesh-like structure, which decreases biological oxygen demand (BOD). Effluents are passed into settling tanks where the flocks are allowed to sediment. This sedimented is called activated sludge. I hope you understood what is flocks. Flocks is a mass of bacteria associated with fungal elements to form mesh-like structure. A small part of the activated sludge is pumped back into the aeration tank to serve as inoculum. Remaining major part of the sludge is pumped into large tanks called the anaerobic sludge digester. See, over there, other bacteria grow anaerobically and digest bacteria and the fungi in the sludge. During digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gases called biogas, which contains methane, hydrogen sulfide, and CO2. Here the chapter comes to an end, but there are some important points which you need to know, which are mentioned over here. Okay. Ministry of Environment and Forest initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. Ministry of Environment and Forestry. Okay, here there are some full forms. That is IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institution, and KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and IPM, Integrated Pest Management. Bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen while free living in soil. Example, Azospirillum and Azobacteria. Many members of genus Glomus form mycorrhiza. The fungal symbiotes in these, that is members of this genus, associated absorb phosphorus from soil and pass it to plants. In paddy fields, cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizer. Blue-green algae also add organic matter to soil to increase its fertility. Here, cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial environment, many of which can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Examples are Enebena, Nostoc, and Oscillatoria. Thank you. Okay, there are some questions which you need to try at home. One is this, 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 and this. Just 35 questions, but you need to solve all of them as they clear all of your concepts. Thank you. These are the answers to the questions. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, if you like my video, do hit the bell icon and subscribe button so that you will be notified with all upcoming videos, which is fully free, and enjoy unlimited lectures. Thank you.